Hi guys, this is Adil. Hope you're doing good. This video is on IoT and machine learning. And in this video, we're going to discuss the issues people face in their daily lives in city and how IoT and machine learning technology can solve these concerns optimally. So let's start. More than half of the world's population now live in the cities, and the numbers are rising as well. Growing number of city residents put pressure on energy and water resources, transport networks, environment, national healthcare budgets, as well as many more aspects of the city. Thankfully, some of the most important problems faced by cities around the world can be solved by current technology solutions. And when we talk about technology solutions, the one thing that comes to my mind is IoT and machine learning. Guys, we're dealing with several problems such as pollution, surging energy demand, public safety concerns, etc. in urban areas, and it's important to learn some lessons from such urban problems. Mobility challenges. The mobility challenges are plenty and not limited just to traffic consumption. They're also about efficiently connecting different neighborhoods with public means of transport, helping citizens and professionals at the last mile journey, and offering a variety of options to the people to move around, offering of public parking slots, and many more. Air pollution. Despite the efforts of the government to handle the level of air pollution in the cities, in most of the cities, the quality of air that we breathe in the cities is deteriorating due to a variety of reasons. The increased population in urban places, rise of car usage, limitation in parking, as well as factories. Apart from the obvious damaging consequences to our health, there is also significant negative impact on the economy of each country, especially the cost of air pollution on the health insurance services. Home care for the elderly. We often read reports and articles about the growing aging population and what it means for the national economy, but also for the lives of these people. The increase in life expectancy has coincided with a dramatic rise in the number of elderly people who are highly independent. Expenditure on the care of older people is increasing substantially and quickly. So guys, stay tuned as now we will discuss the solution to these issues. And this is IoT and machine learning. With the help of IoT and machine learning, we can improve and solve many of these key issues. As I told you earlier, the problems discussed above can be solved by IoT and machine learning. So what is IoT and machine learning? IoT is a concept of basically connecting any device with on and off switch to the internet and or to each other. This includes everything from cell phones, coffee makers, washing machines, headphones, lamps, wearable devices, and almost anything else you can think of. And machine learning provides computers with the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. We will first discuss the solution for mobility challenges. We can optimize availability of public parking using real-time parking sensors. These can show to the drivers where the nearest parking is without going around blindly. Finding parking in less time can reduce both traffic jam and air pollution. Understand where, when, and which people are moving through the city. To achieve this, analyze the anonymous and aggregated mobile data from smartphones. If this is combined with other data generated by connected city furniture, then insights are priceless. Smart city furniture could be connected lights, smart benches, and connected traffic lights, while other city assets could be connected buses and bikes. The analysis of all this combined data can generate insight and automations that we could never think otherwise. We can plan maintenance and improvements in transport networks efficiently based on the data collected by the IoT-enabled assets. For example, potholes can be identified by data generated from smart bikes' lights due to shaking sensors. At the same time, the schedule of when to send the workers to provide essential maintenance can be planned based on the available data from sensors around the street to avoid traffic disruption. With the power of IoT and AI, cities have the ability to understand at real-time, granular level the biggest air pollution hotspots, the causes and what it means for the citizens. Using real-time insights, the city administrators can take informative decisions about how to tackle the problems and how to prioritize their investments. Furthermore, if data from well-distributed public air quality sensors is combined with anonymous mobile data from network of mobile operators, then the insights can be really valuable. Cities can plan new pedestrian and cycling roads, electric vehicle chargers, or parking spaces based on the air quality levels. Thus, both combined data from sensors and mobile phones is critical. In other words, along with taking decisions based on historic data or expert advice, councils now have all the tools necessary to optimize their decisions based on real-time data, or even to automate processes based on specific incidents. Cities are capable of customizing their actions at a neighborhood level. There are many IoT-enabled products in the market that can help local authorities remotely monitor the conditions of elderly people, get notified if and when they took their medicines. If they need any help and more, they can be reached. Remote checks can take place and alerts can be sent in case of incidents. Professionals can meanwhile direct their time towards more added value services which can better impact the lives of vulnerable people. Smart meters that monitor water or electricity consumption through machine learning are able to identify disruption in daily patterns of the person. For example, if user of the flat usually boils water at 10 and turns TV at 5, if one or both of these actions do not take place, it may mean that the person feels unwell or has left the house alone. Then an alert can be sent to the predefined stakeholder in order to check closer what the issue is. Guys, this was it from me about the daily challenges in urban lives and how IoT and machine learning solutions can help us to solve these challenges. Thank you for listening to this video. Subscribe if you want to see the coming videos. So until next time, this channel is to build up on your knowledge, keep crushing it, and we will meet soon. Bye bye.